Your solar energy system is an investment that you want to protect for many years to come. If you're wondering how to properly clean your solar panels, well, stick around to learn handy tips from your friends over here at West Coast Solar. Before you attempt to clean your solar panels on your own, it's a good idea to explore your owner's manual for the warnings, precautions, and of course recommendations. Better yet, check your maintenance package, which covers cleanings, or contact your local solar installer for assistance on the project. When cleaning rooftop arrays, use a securely fastened safety harness and always wear a helmet. Also, make sure to watch your footing and avoid stepping on panels and cords in the process. Avoid using abrasive chemical-based cleaners and opt instead for a bucket of soapy water, even to clean stubborn stains. Just make sure that you use soft water rather than hard water that contains calcium deposits, as they can also harm the panels. Rather than using abrasive cleaning tools like scrubbers and brushes, use a towel and a sponge to clean your panels. You can even use a squeegee after the final rinse to quickly dry those panels off. Using a pressure washer may seem like an efficient way to clean debris from your panels, but the truth is, these sprayers can seriously damage your array. Instead, reach for garden hose for a quick spray down. At West Coast Solar, we want to make solar simple, streamlined, and stress-free for you. Get in touch with our team to learn more about maintaining your system, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.